Hey guys, this is Josh from JC Landscaping and Mowing. Here, back at this yard again. I wasn't able to do the backyard yesterday because I needed this. Yeah, we get to do a video with the leaf vacuum today. She has some serious fungi growing up here. Whew, pretty gross. All right. Got a gate here, and this gate did open, but oh wait, it does still open. Awesome. Okay, because this little gate might be a problem. So anyway, there's some back through here. I knew more was gonna fall because it was gonna rain, so that's why I waited till today. We got a gate here that I'm gonna have to probably use this chain right here. She's got her bungee. Strap it to that real quick. We got some back on the deck. Ooh, very slick deck. A little bit over there. Not too much back here, but definitely too small of an area where I could have mulched them, but they are wet, so I'm just gonna start this way and blow them through there. Oh, sorry, that was a little fast for you guys. And then go this way. And take it right out that way. So I will get everything set up, get the blower, and get you a little bit of a video here. Be right back with you. All right, let's get some leaves moving. Yeah, it's not gonna get perfect today. Obviously, there is a lot more to come down. So I'm just gonna get the bulk of it for today. We'll be back next week. So I'm gonna cut the video here. I'm gonna get these moved out towards the front, and I'll show you guys the vacuum. Alright guys, here's a quick update. That took a lot longer than I was expecting. Excuse me. It ain't perfect. She knows that. That's why I'm coming back every week, just to stay up on them. So, yeah. This over here, this was a pain. This was a pain trying to get them around this, around that, and then down the chute here. It, not only, you know, them being wet, but just the obstacles to go around. And no, this big gate on hinges does not open anymore. They bolted the fence to this post, so had to get everything through this gate, try not to get it back behind the gate. Yeah, so that was a little interesting. So here we go. I got it in a pile here. The neighbor is actually a really cool guy. He's okay with me, you know, backing the truck up right here. I'm not gonna hurt anything. So let me get the truck backed up and get the vacuum going. You guys get to see it in action. Be right back. All right, guys, here it goes. Get this thing fired up and get some vacuum. There we go, guys. Not too bad. Leaves are really, really wet. So that took a little longer, but hey, there it is. I'm gonna do one more yard today with leaves, and I'll start filming when I get there. See you guys in a little bit.